Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be comparing two of the best espresso machines in the market, Hamilton Beach Espresso Machine and PEM 350. Make sure to hit the like button, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing reviews. Let's dive into the comparison. Hamilton Beach Espresso Machine can brew both espresso pods and ground espresso, whereas PEM 350 can only brew ground espresso. This gives Hamilton Beach Espresso Machine the edge in terms of flexibility and convenience. Hamilton Beach Espresso Machine has a 15-bar Italian pump that ensures excellent extraction and rich crema. PEM 350's pressure system, on the other hand, is not mentioned, giving Hamilton Beach Espresso Machine another advantage in this category. Hamilton Beach Espresso Machine has a patented slide and lock portafilter that is easy to set up, while PEM 350 has a removable stainless steel filter that can be hard to access. Moreover, PEM 350 has no swiveling steam wand, whereas Hamilton Beach Espresso Machine has one that can froth milk for cappuccinos and lattes. Hamilton Beach Espresso Machine wins this category. PEM 350 has a tempered glass jar with a 4 espresso cup capacity, while Hamilton Beach Espresso Machine has no mentioned capacity. Both machines have a removable tray for easy cleaning. This category is a tie. Hamilton Beach Espresso Machine has a price of $95 United States dollars, while PEM 350's price is not mentioned. Therefore, we cannot compare the products in this category. That was our comparison of Hamilton Beach Espresso Machine versus PEM 350. We hope this video helped you make the right decision for your espresso needs. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing product reviews. Until next time.